Hello good people, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Food and Fun. On this part of the video we are going to do a shopping haul. As you can see, we have some Sprite, soda, we have a tray of eggs. I wanted to buy a few pieces, but I felt like it's cheaper to buy the tray, and they are reasonably big. We bought some Bella tissue. I felt like they were more affordable than the others. What I noticed, or what I had said in a previous video, that it's cheaper to buy the supermarket branded tissues or products, but in this case this was actually slightly cheaper than the supermarket branded tissues. The next thing we got is some chicken. I think we got two because there was an offer. It was going for, I think, 400 per kg. Yeah, so there's this one and there's this other one. So we got two, which I think we are going to marinate tonight if we will be able to. Then we got some mincemeat. What I do for mincemeat is I buy steak and then I ask them to mince for me so that I'm very sure of what I am taking home. So then we have some yogurt, 2 pieces. We have some juice, pineapple cordial, as demanded. There's someone who is shaking over here. We have some beef sausages. Then we have some beef indomie. Again, nowadays I'm softening, so people are getting indomie. Then we have some biscuits for snacking. We have, of course, our favorite, Amaze. Yeah. We also got some milk. Of course, our favorite is Tuzo. And we also got some breadcrumbs. A recipe is coming soon. The other things we got is water. I usually have 2 bottles for 18 liters and 10 liters so that we don't run out of water. And I bought this broom. I hope it's going to serve me. Looks like it's good quality. I don't know who is suffering like me. I buy either they separate the brush and the, is it a stick? The brush and the stick, or it just comes out. I don't know. Or there's one which has broken at this point, there's one which is disconnected at this point. I don't know. Let me hope this one, because it has some sort of metallic thing, is going to serve me. On the second part of the video, we are going to organize a few things as we talk about some tips to grocery shopping, or you may call them hacks. Yeah, so the first tip I'm going to talk about is planning. You need to plan everything that you're shopping for so that you don't find yourself overstocking or understocking. In different instances, you find you have picked something which you already have in stock and forgot to buy something that you needed. So it is important to plan. How I do my planning is that I have a shopping list at the door of my fridge, and that is where I write down whatever runs out, and when I'm going shopping I'll just pluck the paper out. I have shared a video on the same, so you can check it out. I'll try to link it down below. The next tip is that when you're shopping, pick the fragile items last, in case you put things on top and maybe when you're moving or when you're removing from the cart, you drop them or something happens and they are broken. The same case applies with frozen stuff. Once you have finished your shopping, it's the best time to pick the frozen items so that by the time you're getting to the till and you're getting home, they're still frozen. The next tip we are going to talk about is batch cooking. You can always cook in bulk and just stock everything up in the freezer if you have a freezer. It may be difficult if you don't have a big freezer, but at least you can cook for a few days, even if it's not like for a long time. Still on the freezer, if you have a big family or you have a busy schedule, you can always consider investing in a freezer, just a bigger one than the normal fridge freezer. That will help you save a lot of time, and it will also help you save on every time that you need to cook. You'll always have something in stock. The next thing is, if you want to manage leftovers, have a specific day when you take leftovers. Otherwise, you'll find yourself every day the small quantities that are left, they just kept in the fridge and they just pile up, and you will end up just throwing them away. But if you have a day, we all know that when that day comes, there is no cooking, you eat what is in stock. The next tip is, you can always consider cooking extra for dinner, and then you convert it to the next day's meal. That way you just cook once per day and it saves you a lot. The next tip is comparing the different prices. The other time when I posted a shopping haul, some people made me understand that sometimes the supermarket is cheaper than the market, say the open market. So don't always assume that you can always get your groceries at a cheaper rate in the market than the supermarket. It may be different. The next thing is, when you go shopping, ensure you compare brand prices and also the same quality. You can check through before you buy, so that again you don't save on cost and you get the lowest quality of the items that you have bought, and it ends up not giving you a good outcome. The next tip is, track the cost of the groceries so you will understand when there are changes in prices and the real offers, aka or sales. Remember, you always find, even in the supermarket, they have indicated there is a sale and all that. But if you don't know the actual price, then even the sale will not make sense to you. So it is important that you ensure you know the normal price, and then based on that, you'll make an informed decision when you're shopping next and you hear there is an offer. The next tip is, which I don't know whether it's still applicable, you will let me know by commenting down below, is you always find that the store branded products are usually slightly cheaper. But I realized from my previous shopping that that is not always the case. I think it's actually in this video, the first part, that I discovered that it's not always the case, but sometimes you can just check through and see if it is indeed cheaper than the other brands which are in the store. The next tip is that you need to stock up during sale, but remember the rule is you must know the price first before considering it as a sale. Sometimes entrepreneurs use tactics of saying that something is on sale. Well, it's actually not on sale, just to entice you and to make people buy. So just be informed or alert when that is happening. The next tip is, you need to stock up on ingredients which you can use to make simple meals for the times that you're either in a hurry or you just quickly want to fix a meal or you come home late. The next tip is, you need to cut your trips to the shop. It is important that you do it once. You can decide it's a weekly affair or it's bi-weekly or it's monthly. That way you will not spend so much time on and off shopping, because this is what happens when you're shopping every other day. You will find yourself shopping more than you have just gone to pick. Assuming maybe you go shopping and you find something maybe you just like and you just add it to your cart. So it's important to get that discipline. Thank you so much for watching this video this far. I would also want to get tips from you. What are the hacks and tips that you use to ensure that you save on your grocery shopping? Comment down below.
You wanna know what's beginning of love? You look so hard, but you can't see enough. Just find it and take it, don't let regret it. Make me your only one. You choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like, feel like, feel like that. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Feel like that. Lay your arms around me and stay with me. Feel like that. Lay your arms and stay with me, baby. Throwing aside, I can't wait to start. You should call the police. Now I even can breathe. You love me and hate me, true me and false me, make me your shining star. Giving, receiving, changing, believing, only then we could start.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload a new video. See you on our next one. Bye.